Hey, what's happening, my friends? Nick Romani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and welcome to this video on affiliate slash online marketing for beginners. So, this is module one, introduction to affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing in detail? All right, so let's move on. So, the definition and overview of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. In essence, it's a commission based system where affiliates, also known as publishers, earn a commission for driving sales or specific actions through their referrals. All right. The key components to this system is that it's composed of merchant. This is actually the company that creates and sells the product. Keep in mind, folks, that the merchant is actually responsible for the maintenance, the hosting, the funnels, and all that. Okay, so the affiliate network acts as the intermediary between the merchant and the affiliate. The affiliate, which is you, which is also called the publisher, is the person or entity promoting the product and earns a commission. And sometimes, if you put your time and effort into it, it could be pretty substantial. The customer is the end consumer that buys the product. So the merchant has a tracking system in place. And what that tracking system does is a technology system that tracks the sales slash leads and determines the commission. All right? So let's move on. Let's give you a little bit of history context on how affiliate marketing actually evolved. Okay? So the beginnings. Affiliate marketing can trace its roots back to the 1980s. That's a while ago. The concept started with William J. Tobin, who created the first affiliate program for his company, PC Flowers and Gifts, back in 1989. See, this allowed Prodigy Network members to place banner ads for Tobin's products, earning them a commission on sales. I remember those days. Rapid growth in the 90s. Okay, so Amazon, we all know who Amazon is, launched its associate program in 1996, which allowed individuals and businesses to earn commission by simply referring customers. This program's success inspired many other companies to adopt similar models. In the 2000s to the present, with the growth of the internet and the advent of social media platforms, affiliate marketing has become more sophisticated. Tools, platforms, and networks have emerged, making tracking, reporting, and payments more streamlined. Influencers, bloggers, and content creators today use affiliate marketing as a primary revenue system. All right? So, what is the potential for earning? I mean, you got to have a realistic expectations for that, okay? So, the affiliate marketing offers the potential for substantial earnings, but it is crucial to set realistic expectations. So, not every affiliate marketers will make six-figure incomes. Keep that in mind. And success often depends on various factors. The key considerations are niche selections. That's number one. The potential for earning can vary dramatically depending on a niche or industry you choose. Some niches have higher commission rates or more expensive products, leading to more significant potential earnings per sale. Traffic and engagements, that's very, very important. The more traffic and engagement you have, the higher your potential earnings. However, it's not just about quantity, but quality. Targeted, interested traffic is more likely to convert. Commitment and strategies. Those who treat affiliate marketing like a business, continuously learning and adapting the strategies, are more likely to succeed. Time. Building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time. It's not a get rich quick scheme. That is the problem with a lot of these affiliate programs out there. They put ads out there and they tell you you're going to make $10,000 within 30 days. That's not going to happen unless you got some kind of magical wand. It's not going to happen, okay? Or unless you have some kind of knowledge and a network already set in place, it's not going to happen. Can you make a lot of money with it? Like an immense amount of money? Absolutely, you can, all right? So, over time, as you build your audience and refine your strategies, your earning potentials can grow, all right? So, here's a reality check for you folks. While some affiliate marketers earn substantial incomes, many earn modest amounts. It's essential to be patient, persistent, and continually adapt and learn to maximize your potential. In this module, you've gotten an introduction to what affiliate marketing is, its historical context, and the potential for earning. As we progress through these subsequent modules, you'll dive deeper into strategies, tools, and best practices to set yourself up for success in the affiliate marketing world. See you on the next video.